Bro, who scratched my car, bro? That's not even funny. Like, who did that?
Where did you learn what it means to reciprocate? How much can I be expected to tolerate?
This is how we prop up the Mustang out in these parts. Oh, perfect. Yeah, after pulling out this headliner, I just want to cut off the roof and make this the most ghetto convertible ever. All right, this thing's looser than my mom's butt crack. All right, that probably added about like 40 horsepower. Start your car. Start your car, bro. You think you can actually start it yourself, Zoe?
I have.
Which key is it?
This one.
Bro literally keeps her doors unlocked because she can't find the door key, bro.
No, I know which one is the door key. It's this one. It's this one right here. Because it's dirtier, which means it's older.
Your logic does not check out, bro.
Yes, it does.
All right, start your car then.
Teeth down.
Bro has to recite everything to start her
Pump
car.
twice. You know? And then I realized, I think it was because, I don't know why. But we'll see if it does it today. I fixed it.
What?
It turned off.
Wait.
Bro's cranking balls and nuts. Bro's cranking nuts over here.
What? What?
Ah.
New harness is on. Let's see if it works.
Gage lost a nut.
Among Us.